What's up guys, this knife was super cheap. I just received it and I opened it up and I tried to figure it out how to open it, and guess what? The pin already came off of it. So it says stainless steel China, made in China, and sometimes that's what happens whenever you buy super cheap knife. It just falls apart on the first fold. I couldn't find the pin, so I'd have to make a new pin, but nevertheless, let me show you why this knife is so weird. This right here is similar design to this knife or the other one that I have put to the test, but it's a gravity operated one. But as you can see, the handle is solid. This right here is a little bit different. As you can see, the whole handle doesn't stay together, and you will actually have to push it together like that. And what happened right here, I pushed it too much together, and one of this railing went over this pin and popped it out. So it is quite funny knife. So you'll have a very tiny handle, unlike this one. You see, you have a big handle and it folds it like that. Pretty awesome. With this one, obviously it's quite tight folding knives. To fold this back up, you have to pull this, then you got pull it all the way out. Careful not to sting the fingers in there, and you got right here a weird looking folding knife. It protects the blade, but they're sharp inside there. I can not put my fingers through there, that's for sure. One more time, just pretend this thing is not broken, because I don't feel like ordering another knife that is gonna just fall apart on me. There you go. That is so funny. I wish it didn't break, because it's quite funny to own such a unique knife. So, pretty much imitation on a knife like that, except these knives actually work. And you see there's a layer of gears inside of them, and they just open and close every time, just using gravity, as you can see. Just flip it one way and the other way. This one you really have to fidget with, so that way it does not fall apart on you. And to close it back up the same way. But what's really blows my mind, it is so funny whenever you fold it, you have a really tiny handle. How funny is that? Definitely much longer knife, but yeah, tiny handle. What do you guys think? Anyway, I do like cheap knives usually, because if you break them apart and use them all the time, it's not a big deal. But this is right here pushing it. Whenever you unfold it once and it breaks, this is too cheap. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Let me know in comments below what do you think, and I'll see you next time.